Come on. That's a video camera.
Does Diesel want your cookie? Does Diesel want your cookie? He growls. Does he want your cookie? Say no, no, no. Tell Diesel. No, don't hit him with the bowl. Say no, Diesel. Say no.
No.
Don't hit him. Do nice. He wants your cookie.
Try it. You didn't like it? It's so good.